Today we will be subtracting multi-digit numbers. You need to make an estimate and then solve for the actual answer. Let's read the directions together. Make an estimate, then add the numbers using either a place value chart or standard algorithm. In this video, I will be showing you both on a place value chart and in standard algorithm. You must have a piece of paper in front of you to solve all multi-digit addition and subtraction problems. We're going to begin by writing our equation 512,901 minus 199,794 on our paper. Pause the video and do that. Now we're going to round to the nearest 100,000 because that's the largest place in both numbers. So 512,901 will either round down to 500,000 or up to 600,000. Now I want you to think, is 512 closer to 500 or is it closer to 600? It's closer to 500. So we're going to round down to 500. Now, 199,794 will either round down to 100,000 or up to 200,000. I want you to think, is 199 closer to 100 or is it closer to 200? It's closer to 200 because 200 is the next number after 199. So we're going to subtract 500,000 minus 200,000 equals 5 minus 2 is 3. So it'll be about 300,000. Now let's make our place value chart. The number that we're starting with is going to be shown in blue, and the number that we're taking away will be shown in red. So I'm going to begin by writing my number in the place value chart starting in the ones. So we start with 1, 1, 0 tens, 9 hundreds, 2 thousands, 1, 2, 1 10,000, and 500,000s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to come down here and write my number again at the bottom of my place value chart. 512,901. Now we're going to be taking away 199,794. We're taking that away. So when we subtract, we always start in the smallest place, which in this case is the ones. We have 1, but we are supposed to be taking away 4. Can we do that? No, I can't cross out 4. So I have to come over to the tens. But I can't regroup from the tens because there's nothing there. So I have to come all the way over to the hundreds. And I'm going to take my 100 and bring it over to the tens. 100 is the same as 10 tens. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that is how I got my 100 into 10 tens. So down here at the bottom, I couldn't do 1 minus 4. So I had to come to the 0. Nope, nothing there. I have to go to the hundreds place. And I'm going to use one of these hundreds. So now I only have 5, 6, 7, 8 hundreds left. Then I have regrouped 10 over here. So now I have 10 in the hundreds place. but I still have to subtract in the ones place before I can subtract over here. So I'm going to take one of my tens and regroup it into 10 ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have used this 10. So no longer do we have 10 in the tens place. Now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 9 in the tens place. But when we regrouped this 10 into 10 ones, now we have 11 ones. So we regrouped 10 more. We added 10 over here, and now there are 11. So now I have 11, and I can now take away 4. My original number I need to take away. Let's cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. Now, in the tens place, we have 9. And our job is to do 9, take away 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm left with no tens. Now in the hundreds place, I have 5, 6, 7, 8. Can I take away 7? Yes, I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That leaves us with 100 left. Now we have 2 in the thousands. Can we take away 9? No, we can't. So I have to come over to the 10,000s and regroup it so that I have enough to take away 9 thousands. Count with me. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. That is how I took the 10,000 and regrouped it into thousands. So now, no longer do I have 1 10,000, now there are 0 10,000s. But because we regrouped 10 more, we've added 10 more to the 2 that were already there, and that gives us 12. When we have 12, we can now take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 1, 2, 3 left. 12 minus 9 is 3. Okay, now we have 0 10,000s. Can we take away 9? Nope, sure can't. So we have to come to our 100,000s and regroup 10. Count with me by 10,000s. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000. The 100,000 that we had over here is now regrouped but into smaller pieces. No longer do we have 5 10,000s, now we have 4 10,000s. And we regrouped 10 more, and there are 10 10,000s. 10, we can now take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're left with 1 10,000. 4 minus 1, we can take away 100,000, and we're left with 300,000. Is our answer 313,107 close to our estimate of 300,000? Yes, it is. So we are probably correct. Now I've written it in standard algorithm. Go ahead and pause the video so you can write this. Make sure you have some space above it because we're going to be doing a lot of regrouping. So you're going to need the space above and a little bit of space below. All right, we're going to start in the ones place. 1 minus 4. Can we do that? No, we can't. So we need to come to the next place over, the tens place. Can we regroup from 0? No, we can't. So we're going to regroup from the hundreds place. We're going to use one of the hundreds, now we only have 8 hundreds, and regroup it into 10 tens. But because we have to subtract in the ones place first, we need to regroup again. We're going to use 1 10, now we have 9 tens, and regroup 10 more 10 ones in the ones place. Now we have 11 ones. 11 minus 4, just like we did over here, 11 minus 4 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 9, I can't take away 9 from 2, so I have to go into my 10,000s place and regroup 1 10,000 into 10,000s. 10,000 plus the 2 that are already there is 12,000. 12,000 minus 9, 12 minus 9 is 3. 0 minus 9, can we do that? Nope. We have to regroup from the 100,000s. We're going to use one of those. Now we only have 400,000s. And give 10 10,000s. And that gives us 10 minus 9 is 1. Then we can go to our 100,000s place. 4 minus 1 is 3. And we got the same answer. Awesome job. So remember to write your estimate here in your slides and your actual answer here. They should be close because the purpose of doing an estimate is to see if your answer is close. All right. The second video that we're going to do for subtraction today is this one. 43,543 minus 6,906. Go ahead and write your problem on your paper, and then we will work on estimating. Pause the video to do that. When we estimate, we are going to round this time to the thousands place because they both have thousands. So we're going to either round down to 43,000 or up to 44,000. Do you think 43,543 is closer to 43 or 44,000? Well, 500 would be the exact middle, so this is a little bit higher. So we're going to round to 44,000. 6,906 can either round down to 6,000 or up to 7,000. Which do you think it's closer to, 6,000 or 7,000? Even though it starts with the 6, it's actually closer to 7,000 because 900 is much closer to the next 1,000. So we're going to subtract these two numbers, 44,000 minus 7,000, and make sure that you have all of your places lined up. That is super important in subtraction. The ones place must be stacked, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s. So now let's subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 7. Can't do that. We have to regroup. We're going to use one of the 10,000s. Now there's 3, and regroup 10 to the thousands place. 10 and 4 is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. And 3 minus 1 is 3. So our answer should be about 37,000. Now we're going to go over and draw our place value chart. Because the largest place is the 10,000s and we're subtracting, I'm going to only draw up to the 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Just like last time, the number that we're starting with is going to be in blue, and the number that we're subtracting is going to be in red. All right, we're going to put 43,543 in our place value chart because we must start with that amount. Let's start in the ones. There are 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 tens. There are 5 hundreds. There are 3 thousands. There are 4 10,000s. I'm going to write this number near the bottom of my place value chart. 43,543. And then I'm going to be subtracting 6,906. Let's start in the ones place. We have 3. Can we take away 6? Can we cross out 6? No, we can't because we don't have 6. So we're going to have to regroup from the tens. 1 10 is the same as 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So because we used 1 10, now we only have 3 tens. But when we regrouped, we added 10 ones. So now there are 13. Now we can cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. Now we have 3 tens. Can we take away 0? Sure, we're not crossing out any. So we still have 3. Then we move to our hundreds. We have 5 hundreds. Can we take away 9? No, we cannot cross out 9 because we don't have 9. So we need to regroup from the thousands. 1,000 is the same as 10 hundreds. Let's count them. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. 1,000 is the same as 10 hundreds. So now instead of 3,000s, we only have 2,000s. But now we have 15 hundreds. Because we added 10 more, we now have 15 hundreds. Now we can subtract 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 5, 6 remaining. In our thousands place, we have 2 thousands. Can we take away 6? No, we can't. So we'll have to come over to the 10,000s and regroup 1 10,000 into 10,000s. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. So now we have used our 10,000. Now there are only 3 10,000s, and we've regrouped 10 more to the thousands place, giving us 12 thousands. Now that we have 12 thousands, we can take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 left. And in the 10 thousands, we have 3, and we're taking away nothing, so that will still be 3 10 thousands. 36,637 is close to our estimate of 37,000. Now let's do standard algorithm. Go ahead and write your problem. 43,543 minus 6,906. Make sure you leave some room above because we're going to be doing a lot of regrouping and subtraction. All right, here we go. 3 minus 6 cannot be done, so we need to regroup. We're going to take 1 10 away from the 4, giving us 3 10s, and 10 more 1s. That gives us 13 1s. 13 minus 6. Let's count up from 6 to 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 7. Now we have 3. Can we take away 0? Sure, that gives us 3. We have 5. Can we take away 9? Nope, we need to regroup from the thousands. So now we will have 2 thousands because we're going to use 1,000 as 10 hundredths. That gives us 15 hundredths. 15 minus 9, start at 9, count up to 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 6. Now we have 2. Can we take away 6? Nope, we need to regroup. That gives us 3 10 thousands, and we're going to give 10 thousands to the thousands place. Now we have 12,000. 12 minus 6 is, count up from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 6. And then we have 3 minus nothing is 3. Great job. That is the exact same answer that we came up with in the place value chart, which is close to our estimate of 37,000. So make sure that your estimate is written here and your answer that we got is written here, and type those into your slide. Pause the video to do that. For the independent problems, I'm going to help you estimate, and then you can continue to answer on your own. Write the problem on your paper. Pause the video to do that. Okay, 70,392 minus 66,586. Both numbers are in the 10,000s, but we're going to round to the nearest thousand on this one. So we are either going to round down to 70,000 or up to 71,000. 392 is not quite to the 500 mark, which is where we round up. So we're going to round down. 66,586 will either round down to 66,000 or up to 67,000. Now 500 is the midpoint, so 586 is higher than the midpoint. Therefore, we are going to round up. Go ahead and subtract 70,000 minus 66,000, and you will get your estimate, which goes on this line. Now you can proceed and solve with your actual answer over here using either a place value chart or standard algorithm. Pause the video, then I will help you on the next estimate. Now we're going to write this problem on our paper. Pause the video to do that. 8,943 minus 2,837. Both numbers are in the thousands place. We can round to the nearest thousand. We can either round down to 8,000 or up to 9,000. 943 is above the midpoint of 500, so we are going to round up. 2,837 can either round down to 2,000 or up to 3,000. 837 is above the midpoint of 500, so we are going to round up. Down here, you will subtract 9,000 minus 3,000, which will give you your estimate that you write in the estimate text box on your slides. Then you may solve the actual answer over here using either a place value chart or standard algorithm. Go ahead and finish the problem.